Odofo ye mo bibia jomo bibia kwa about the African History and Heritage TV so enen so mo somfo historian Kodwajiman my dear dwam de kasebo ebremo na ne kasebo de eyadutwam na ne edikan ye de aseda ene kabia bema obo ade se wahwe so masabri atoyen de tosumienu so ye de aseda kese ne nshira kese ebema African History and Heritage TV ahwefo na tiefo nyina se bribia ye de content tuma mohwe na muti na mo share ma afoforo nso enya bi ehwe na mo sign subscribe eka ho ene kasebo na amde brown no de eye adutwam kura nyasem ketwa emse na wotwe etwa mi mede sampa nkonwasem no ne series e de abramo na ne niamde bramo eye the fifth on the series and mede bramo sabri the fifth episode and de bramo sabri na ne de no de eye adutwam emse me bo ma anohoba se manhia verdict na eba ya egentre han a abiwie atuo toto ne ne kro ne bai no me de beba abeto atiefo monim ene enada no aso ene na abrewa ayipoma kwanim na sampa nkonwasem se nyina ye nim no emse afanu mienu no beyi asem no ekọ manhia otumfo ahemfie se be kọ setre asem no ewo ho na be kọ ye no nsoso no otumfo ye na asante hene sante mawura etu committee a 4-member committee ntia ye nya ye no ye na kumawu hene ene ntotro so hene ene adenkraja hene ochiame kantankranchia oye sante hene ne chiame sa committee ena ye na sante hene etu won se wonom enhwehwe sampa nkonwasienum na bemfa report emre abusuya according to Adama Watara na ono odi nkonwasem mutintiman meka se sabre de ono kra na ebeka se sampa no odi animu ana se sampa man eye ne dia ebisi afọ no mienu no nyina se ne ye beto no wakasebo no mu no sa moduafo ese kire se benuane Adama Watara saa so na Abu Muhammad afiatitwa abusuafo se beso benuane Adama Watara na chese Adama Watara de ojina mfimfini. According to him 4-member committee na dwuma be ye no kuma uhene ne ntotoro so hene beno be report abede bae ene se Abu Muhammad eye dehye a odi akonwa ewo sampa eye afiatitwa na busuano di akonwa eye ochame kantankranji ene adankraja hene enso ka se Davida ye de nhwehwemu a be de be kire se nhwehwemu a be no Abu Muhammad ene na busuafo a eye afiatitwa family bedi akonwa no bia enye yikura benye adehye nti na chese asem no epai ho committee no mienu bre Abu Muhammad no eye adehye bedi sampa akonwa committee no nipa mienu bre Abu Muhammad no bi ni akonwa now yehwe committee no nipa 9 no a na bete committee no so no ani jesemo a ewom ne se nipa 9 no banka se samoduafo nibi enti yebeka se nipa 9 no nyina euru se samodua dibi ena nipa 9 no nyina so euru se Adama Watara Kofi no abusuafo dibi ena nipa 9 no mumienu euru se Abu Muhammad afiatitwa family ezu di akonwa no bi na chese ye calculate in mathematical terms Adama Watara na busuafo omye Kofi Sono ekita 4 votes wɔ hɔ. Ɛna Sam Odua for nso ekita 4 votes ɛwɔ hɔ. Ɛna Abu Mahama Afiatitwa family almost kita 2 votes. Minia sana committee level no the voting pattern no ekoye. When na committee no ede sa results no ekoma Otumfuo. Otumfuo etena na dwam se apaya or the family tree bi edi dwuma na ekowie ya ne se Sam Oduafo ene Kofi Sonofo a Adama Watara ni dia ni mu no enye moja. Na Abu Mahama ene Kofi Sono Abu Mahama na busua ne Afiatitwa family ene Kofi Sono abusua ena eye moja. Ye nyina so ye nim se Adama Watara Kofi Sono abusua ena Sam Odua abusuafo so eyenta na ekosi sen ena ntafo mienu enye moja. Enti Otumfuo de mbuaye na edi kampae no eye abufu yie ma abadwafo no pa afie beduru sampa no ena Kofi Sonofo etwere krata ede koma yera na Otumfuo se asem no onsa hwem biu efi atemwo na obu ye no de enya de a eye atentenene wei ema Sam Oduafo nso etwere krata no bi ede kodan manhia se Otumfuo ensa hwehwem biu sa at that point ena Sam Oduafo eba asem no mbebo nkuru kanono de na eye Adama Watara ena Abu Mahama Afiatitwa ene Kofi Sono ena ebo nkuru na nkurubo no ekowie se ye na Asantehene eyi Sam Oduafo no efrim no na chese esese be so ba nibre na be bom na be bobe nkuru enti no etwere krata koma Otumfuo na krata we eye krata bi a Sam Oduafo ene troye etwere 15 September 2022 addressed to His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei the second Manhyia Kumase na we kan se bebre na neto fabom ne se be kire se be ya dehye na ohwe we krata no mu a Sam Odua Royal Gate no kan se ba di akonwa no bi na be hina otoso nwotwe a ye frɛ na pemo ahenkora no ofiri Sam Odua Gate ena nana Yuwa Kofi 10th chief ono so firi ho nana sie Kwame Adinkra firi ho nana ya Sam Odua the first or your 14th chief ofiri ho nana Afiafo fie Queen Mother 12th Queen Mother otoso dumienu ofiri ho nana Yosa Queen Mother otoso mienu firi ho Obahema Mr. Obahema nana Yachinje Ohima otoso na efiri Sam Odua nana Nyinjo Ohima otoso nsia efiri Sam Odua ena nana Yinmotia Ohima otoso nwotwe efiri Sam Odua nana Yajo Kakala a otoso mienu Ohima otoso dumiensa ono so frika Sam Odua na etisade a ekosi se na nnede Otumfuo eyibe firim se benka enti be de krata wei ekodan Otumfuo se Otumfuo enhwehwe asem no atemu no di kambu a eno de enya atemu na eye atentenene enti Otumfuo ensa enhwehwe asem no mbio ewe Otumfuo enna bodwafo etrase ne obi ankofa ne family tree mra Sam Oduafo Kofi Sono ene Afiatitwa mfa omabusua biamra na ye hwehwe asem no na be hwehwe asem no mbio ne yetoso mienu no asem no muaya be de baaye ni verdita efiri manhia ebaaye na mebe kenkan akyerɛ mu ne yaduaduam. Ɔse meetings of Asantuma Council meeting held on Thursday 22nd June 2023 under the presidency of Otumfuo Osei Tutu II Asantehene at 12 p.m. Na wadwafo ehia no na ba chichim akuakuo. Akuo no bi ne Krontre, Akwamu division, Adontin division, Nifon division, Benkum division, Oyoko division, Chidom division, Jasi division, Ankobia division, Manyure division, Nkoso division, and Achiame division. Sana na hemfo no ya group be. So obia group bia ne nipa enkodwene ho se na ya behu asem no bemfa betudwa na be take decision. Ewe yenkoso e. Apart from that, your group bia ye frebe amanhene in council. And also number 22, Omanhene of Mampong, Omanhene of Adanse, Manhene of Beposo, Manhene of Denkreja, Manhene of Asubua, Manhene of Japikru, Manhene of Esumja, Manhene of Kumaso, Manhene of Fridium, Omanhene of Mim, Omanhene of Yamfo, Omanhene of Jabi, Omanhene of Bekwai, Omanhene of Kuntunate, Omanhene of Dikoman, Omanhene of Goso, Omanhene of Sankoro, Omanhene of Damiabra, Omanhene of Amantin, Omanhene of Tepa, Omanhene of Fuman, Omanhene Asamai. Now, afeni ebe kenkan verdict no. Ose sample stool affairs in the matter of 1. Mansa Rose, Per Kwame Okra. 2. Oponin Adama Watara versus Oponin Abu Mahama. Atemu wonuni. Obajafo muntie. Krontre division led by Bafo Bantamahene. We watched the video of the proceedings on Monday and Tuesday and we observed the following. We observed that the statement of claim given by Opani Abu Mahama and Opani Adama Watara in this litigation is the same as that which they gave before the committee and based on which Otumfuo ruled that the two parties are maternal relations. None of the Krontre division are therefore of the considered view that Opani Abu Mahama and Opani Adama Watara are maternal relations, whereas Mansa Rose is not their blood relations. Krontre division no na Bantamahene edianimu kanso behwehwe asem no mu no omohweye na Opani Adama Watara one Opani Abu Mahama ene yemoja. Mansa Rose wa ujina ho ede ma kofiso samodua one wo munye moja. Na Krontre division no mu ena nana kwamahene ono so epeja ne nsa no se na haine he Nana Abrinyase Hene and I do not share the opinion expressed by the Krontre division. Per critical analysis of the family tree presented by Opani Abu Mahama and his statement given before the council, Abu Mahama clearly admits to the existence of the twins, Yenda and Yanda. Since Abu Mahama claims his maternal relations of Opani Adama Watara, we expected his family tree to be identical to that of Adama Watara. However, while Adama Watara claimed the mother of the twins was Yelu Saka, Abu Mahama claimed on the contrary, that is, their mother was Yatunga. Then again, the siblings of Yatunga, according to Adama Watara and Abu Mahama, are entirely different. However, the family trees and statement of Opani Adama Watara and Mansa Rose are very identical. Taking all this into consideration, we are of the view that Mansa Rose and Adama Watara are maternal relations, while Abu Mahama is not their relation. Ewo Krontre feku nuam, Krontre division nuam, be mwache mienu. Binom se Adama Watara one Abu Mahama ne ye moja. Efomba binso se Adama Watara one Mansa Rose a ojina homa samodua busuya ene ye moja yankosoe. Now, Nana Hwidimhene, that is Omai Hene in council. Nana Hwidimhene ne kase. Abu Mahama had a lot of difficulties when he was granted the opportunity to cross-examine Adam Awatara. It was his witness, Comfort Yeboah, who stated that Adam Awatara and Rose Mensah are not their maternal relations. Abu Mahama has accepted the Akwamu stool of Sampa. Thus, I'm of the view that Mensah, Rose, and Adam Awatara are true custodians of the Sampa stool. Nana Fidim Hine, or also Chile Nadrin said, Abu Mahama. Adam Awatara ene Mensah Rose wonom na ya deshia ese omo busua na ya deshia tim di Sampa akonwa yenkoso e. Then Akwamu division led by Nana Suaduhene, we observe that Adam Awatara and Abu Mahama are maternal relations. From their family tree, Mahama explained he is a descendant of Yelisaka, Elias Aka, and that the twins Yinda and Yanda are his maternal relations. However, when Adam Awatara was given his statement of claim, he excluded the ancestors of Abu Mahama. He explained that though the twins had a sister, that woman had no children. We believe that even if the said woman had no children, he shouldn't have excluded her from the family tree. We therefore estimated that it was a deliberate attempt by Adam Awatara to expunge the ancestors of Abu Mahama from his family tree. We are of the view that Abu Mahama and Adam Awatara are maternal relations and custodians of the samples too, while Mensah Rose holds no title to same. Near Akwamu fekuo no so ekaye ene se Nana Suaduhina ono no di Akwamu fekuo na nim ono so nasema ode ba etitia ne se kwamfo no ehwe de Abu Mahama ene Adam Awatara ene ye adehye na Mensah Rose ogina ho masan moduafo no one Adam Awatara ogina ho ema Kofi Sono enye adehye omunye moja okawie ya pena Nana agona wo masehene ono so sore ono so wo Akwam division numo Akwam fekuo no a num na Nana agona wo masehene so wo eno peja ansa no kan se nasema o kan yini Abu Mahama admitted that Adam Awatara was his maternal relation. Owing to this, we expect much similarities in the family trees presented by both parties. But on the contrary, the family trees presented by Adam Awatara and Mensah Rose were identical. All three parties mentioned Yajo as their ancestors. Abu Mahama explained that he is direct descendant of Yelikosa, whose siblings are Yinda and Yanda, the twins. Though Abu Mahama accepts the existence of the twins, he accepts the descendant of one, being Adam Awatara, and rejects the descendants of other, who is Mensah Rose. Neye Nana agona wa moaso hina ono so na oka Akwamu fekuo no ho oka se Davida akwamfo no de Nana Suaduhene asoma wo ka me no nya dwen ebi se opani Abu Mahama o se ogitum mu se Yelikosa ono ni nua no Yanda ntafo mienu no enna ogitum se Adam Awatara ono oye eye Kofi Sono oye ataba ko asini na ekosi sen enna ataba ko de ono wonye no ntum se Mensah Rose onye no ntum se ono oye atakuma asini Mensah Rose a ono gina homa Kofi Samoduafo no onye no ntum na che se okansa asem no a ene nokre ebobria sa ena ye na aguna wo masehene ono so kan na che se Akwamu abusuakuo no so no ana Akwamu fekuo no so bi mu ache fabre Adam Awatara ene opani Abu Mahama ene yemoja fanso so se Adam Awatara ene Yawsa Moduafo ene yemoja nti fekuo mienu no bi mu acheche yenkwe Nifa division led by Nana Nkwantakese hene Nifa division nso Nana Nkwantakese hene ni die mu asema abedi bae ni. All three parties claim maternal ties to Nana Kofi Sono the first and gave the name of her mother as Abnanum. However, we observe that both parties gave different names for the mother of Abnanum. On the matter of Nana Kofisno II, after whose death this dispute began, Abu Mahama claimed the mother of Nana Kofisno II is Satsima, but Adama Ouattara and Mansa Rose gave the name of the mother as Amakuma Tiwa. Since Abu Mahama stated that Adama Ouattara is his maternal relation, we expected their family trees to be identical, but that was not the case. The main issue of contention is about the twins in their family tree. While Adama Ouattara gave the name of their mother as Yelisaka, Opani Abu Mahama gave a different name. Mansa Rose was able to produce a witness who corroborated her claim that they are maternal relations of Adama Ouattara, even though they are domiciled in another town. In view of the above, we are of the view that Mansa Rose and Adama Ouattara are custodians of the sample stool, and Abu Mahama has no right to say. Not just in the Nifan division, so near Nana Nkwantakesi Hena, other Nifan division no ano, okan yen say, on the Nifan Feku no, Bafishim no, Abu Mahama, ene Mansa Rose, ene ya dishye, benebeye Muja. Yonkwe, Adontin division led by Nana Abuasohene. Considering the claims of Abu Mahama that Mansa Rose is not a maternal relation of Adama Ouattara, we expected him to tell us the descendants of Jinda. Since he claims Mansa Rose is not a descendant of Jinda, however, he failed to do so. Adama Ouattara, on the other hand, was able to prove that Mansa Rose is his maternal relation. The claim of Adama Ouattara is that his ancestress and that of Mansa Rose are twins. This claim is also accepted by Mansa Rose. Since Abu Mahama accepts Adama Ouattara as his relation, how then can he deny his relation to Mansa Rose? We are of the view that Mansa Rose and Adama Ouattara are true custodians of the samples too and have no maternal ties to Abu Mahama. Ne adontin fekuo no nso kan yen say we de Abu Mahama oje tum say Adama Ouattara nata ba ko ne Mansa Rose. Adama Ouattara nso a wo Abu Mahama o kire say unua no ono nso kire say ni nua ne ono nasefo no eye atepanyini ena atepanyini no ni nua ne atakuma nasefo eye samoduafo a Rose Mansa die animu na ebesiden ena ataba ya dehye na baako de enya dehye enti no yegitum se Adama Ouattara ene Mansa Rose ogina homa ya osa modua na ya dehye abedi akonwa ne Adontin division so kan ye no. Now yehwe Nana Asaman Hene so e so say the family tree provided by Adama Ouattara and Abu Mahama were essentially different. Even though Abu Mahama claimed to be of the same maternal stock as Adama Ouattara, again, Abu Mahama admitted that the two families have engaged in intermarriages and went ahead to explain that, contrary to the general custom of Asantewaan, it is not a taboo in Sampa. However, he could not produce any evidence in support of his assertion. Abu Mahama's family are custodians of the Akwamu stool of Sampa. It is my view that Abu Mahama should keep a starter to the Akwamu stool, while Adama Ouattara and Mansa Rose should be given custody to the Sampa stool. Yana na Asaman Hene so at the boss so say no. I don't know hwehwe mu ano. Wo Abu Mahama wasefo edi akom. Akwama kunwa no na yaw de na kunwa kase no de. O ka say o ka ho a na oboa. Abayofo yanko say Nana Beposo Hene ono so no kan yi ni. From the proceedings of the case, I observed that Abu Mahama sued the former chief of Sampa in court concerning this same issue of royalty and did not secure a favorable ruling. When a stool is created for royals of another stool, the occupant of the newly created stool extinguishes his right to the royal stool of his family. Since Abu Mahama has accepted the Akwamu stool of Sampa and also admits to the intermarriages between his family and that of Adama Ouattara, it is my view that Adama Ouattara and Rose Mensah are the custodians of the samples too. Or say no. Or no, say Nanabo Posohene at the boss who say, Abu Mahama Wabusia Kwadia Kunya, Koma Kunya Didia, not just a Kunya Cassiano, Osan Casao Cahodia, not just a any nokre eyeden, ebo abira. Ena nana adanse hene so a ono ka oman in council no ho oka asema ediswe osi Mensah Rose claimed joint eligibility to the stew with Adama Ouattara and denied the royal status of Abu Mahama. Adama Ouattara also held to the same conviction, since Mensah Rose and Adama Ouattara claim to be direct descendants of the twins. I expected them to present the same family tree, but that was not done. I am of the opinion that Abu Mahama and Adama Ouattara are maternal relations and they both share no ties with Mensah Rose. Nana Adam se hene so can say, oh, Adama Ouattara ene Abu Mahama ene ye moja na Adama Ouattara ene Mensah Rose ujina homa atakuma na ono woye ya sa moduasene omunye moja na yankoso e Benkum division benkum fekuo no so na heman hene ono odi anim ono so yentie ne ya ode baaye efa a efri benkum fekuo no so akache o say our concentration was largely focused on the family tree because this was a matter of determining the royals of the stew. The family trees presented by Abu Mahama and Adama Ouattara were different. However, Abu Mahama admits that Adama Ouattara holds title to the stool, and also that Adama Ouattara is a descendant of Atapaini. If the descendant of Atapaini is also telling you the descendants of Atakuma, what is there to doubt? Abu Mahama admitted that his family are custodians of the Akomu stew. Evidence was given to the effect that when the stew was created for them, the then chief, who Abu Mahama claimed is his maternal relation, asked him to bring his family for instrument. We are of the view that Adama Ouattara and Mensah Rose are maternal relations and share no maternal ties with Abu Mahama. Near Nana Benkum Fekuo no so Nana Hene Edianimu or can say Davida wo Abu Mahama o kyerɛ sɛ Adama Ouattara yewunia na Adama Ouattara na asefo ne Kofi so no a wɔnom so asefo ne Atapaini no ana Adama Ouattara kure so ka sɛ ɔno ni mogya ne samoduafo a Rose Mensah ediba ni mi atwam amanso na ɔno ka sɛ ni mogya ne samoduafo de a ebe edi asem ne yɛwɔ ka bio ye ne awɔ asem bia ka bio efise enkoba sa atapanyini eya de hye na ne kuma enye de hye na wo Abu Mahama wo de Akomu stew na ya ba ma na Nana Kofi so no obo Akomu stew na ma no o ka kire se fa wo abusuafo bra enti se wo ne ya abusua de a nka o nka kire o se kofa wo abusuafo bra na memfa Akomu akonwa ema won enti ne sa enti no Abu Mahama onye dehye eti kofa wakwam akonwa no nadi ne ya ono so okan ye ene no na yankoso e ohene in council ahemfo no abeshi aye no so ba ko no okan ye ni ose nana esumjahene. I have keenly followed the proceedings of this case, and in my opinion, Adama Ouattara and Abu Mahama are maternal relations. My opinion is based on these reasons. Firstly, Abu Mahama gave evidence to prove that members of his family have been apportioned the customary successors of deceased members of Adama Ouattara's family, and vice versa. Again, Adama Ouattara's claim was that Abu Mahama's family were custodians of the Akomu stool of Sampa and not the Sampa stool. Abu Mahama also made an assertion that Mensah Rose is a descendant of a woman who was used as collateral to secure a loan from his family. This claim went unchallenged by Mensah Rose. Adama Ouattara's witnesses could not corroborate the claim he made against Abu Mahama. Nana Sumajahene also, Nasema Oka Yene say, Abu Mahama eka say Mansa Rose na sefo no ye de wonom wom koje bosuan de bia abusuan koje bosuan montiman pianti na ye kofa wom ma wom besomye eti benye adehye na oka saa no Mansa Rose antimi challenge saa eti nesanti ono na dwen ye ne say Mansa Rose enye odehye o sampa akunwa ha na say Mansa Rose a ono na sefo ne Samudiafo no enye odehye. Now yanko oyuko foku no oyuko division led by Nana Oyuko Hene. Adam Awatara stated that members of his family have married from the family of Abu Mahama, and also the family of Abu Mahama are the custodians of Akwamu stool of Sampa. However, Abu Mahama offered a convincing explanation of these occurrences. The witness of Abu Mahama traced the ancestry of Mansa Rose to the woman who was used as collateral to secure a loan from the chief of Sampa. Documents were tendered as evidence to prove that Mansa Rose was from the Samodia family, while Adam Awatara belonged to the Shonyole faction, and both groups had different Abusuapanim. If these two were of the same maternal stock, they would have had the same family head. Based on the above, we are of the view that Adam Awatara and Abu Mahama are the true royals of Sampa stew. Mansa Rose, on the other hand, has no claim to the stew. Near Nana Oyuku Fekuo no so can yene say, Ben Hwimuno say, Adam Awatara, any Abu Mahama, any Yemoja, Omoye Adishie or Sampa Akunyano, Yonkwe. By Nana Bekwa Hene, all three parties trace their ancestry from Yajoka Kala. Mansa Rose claims 13 people from his family have ascended the female stool of Sampa, and 6 men have ascended the male stool of Sampa. The other two parties also listed people from their families who have ascended the Sampa stool. In my opinion, all three parties belong to the same maternal stock. Nana Bekwa Hene de ni o kan ye ne se ono de ne nhwehwemu etre se Mansa Rose o Adam Awatara o Abu Mahama benyina beye adehia be disampo akunwa kese a oyeye nti ono de se ye to aba nko to na ba ema be me yensa ne nyina yenko so e. Now Chidom division led by Bafo Dominance Hene. The Sampa stew belongs to Abu Mahama and Adam Awatara. When someone from Adam Awatara families die, a person from Abu Mahama's family can be appointed as his customary successor, and this fact is well accepted by both parties. How can you be appointed as a customary successor if you are not a maternal relation of the deceased? Mansa Rose was also brought as a collateral for loan that she cannot claim to be a royal. Abu Mahama's witness gave a convincing account of ancestry of Mansa Rose, which was not debated. None of the Chidom division are of the considered opinion view that Adam Awatara and Abu Mahama are custodians of the stew and have no relations to Mansa Rose. Nananum Fekuo Abusuanon so se Adam Awatara bedi ebehwe no Adam Awatara ene Abu Mahama ena Yemoja abedi sample akunwa yehwe ne Jasi division so kan Jasi division Jasi Fekuo led by Bafo Dadie so abahene. A critical examination of their family tree reveals that they all trace their ancestry from Yajoka Kala. However, moving down the generations, some inconsistencies were discovered. Abu Mahama claimed Yanda, who is the direct ancestress of Adam Awatara, begot Yelukosa. Adam Awatara claimed, on the contrary, that his ancestress Yanda rather begot Yelicheme. There were several other differences in the family tree of Adam Awatara and Abu Mahama. However, the family tree of Mansa Rose and Adam Awatara were essentially the same. Nananoma omo Jasi division so eka se omo hwe abusuadua no na che se Mansa Rose one Adama Watara sa modua ene Kofi Sonofo ene ye moja na Abu Mahama ojina ho edema ayide onye moja. Now still Jasi division num na Jasi division a that dey so abahene ne dia nimu oka sa asem no eho na anka ase hene a ono so wo the same division original ye no oka say it is my view that Abu Mahama and Adama Watara are maternal relations and true royals of the stew and not Manston Rose. The fact that the people from Abu Muhammad's family have often times been appointed as customary successors of deceased members of the Adama Watara family and vice versa alone proves that they are maternal relations because strangers cannot be appointed as customary successors. Nia waka here say, oh, ono so de ohwe here no Adama Watara na busuama eye Kofi Sono no se nipa wuma Abu Mahama efie nipa tim ekodi na de na se mudidi mo ho ade sa ade a ede na ebeye den se obeka se nipa no onye onua enti na ka se hene nso a ono owo Jasi fekuo num so ono otia ne na baafo dade so aba hene a oda Jasi fekuo no ano eka ye no na che se Jasi fekuo no nso be mu achemienu yenkwe Nana Mantin hene. All the parties claim maternal ties to Yajo Kakala. However, there are significant differences in the family trees presented by Abu Mahama and Adama Watara. The family trees presented by Adama Watara and Manson Rose, on the other hand, are the same. Abu Muhammad's family have accepted the Akamu stool of Tampa. It is a wonder as to why a royal of a paramount stool will accept a divisional stool. Considering all these, I am of the view that Adama Watara and Manson Rose are the custodians of the stool. Nana Mantin hine so kan say Abu Mahama Adama Watara watre say nata ene Manson Rose ojina ho Manson moduafo nata kuma eno no na wo Abu Mahama wakwaje akwamo akonwa wudi dem pa say this year wudi akonwa kese obesa akwaje divisional stool no wasan di enti ono de na dwenem de Manson Rose ojina ho ema sa modua abusua ene Adama Watara ojina ho ma Kofi Sono abusua na ye moja yankwe ankobia feku ankobia division yentie Adama Watara engaged in litigation with Abu Mahama on this same issue before Manson Rose later brought a petition. The fact that the family tree of Manson Rose and Adama Watara is the same is not surprising because she basically copied the family tree of Adama Watara. Adama Watara admitted the firstborn child is named Yeli in their culture, and yet Abu Mahama indicated that he is the descendant of Yelkosa, that is the firstborn, whose siblings were Yenda and Yanda. Adama Watara claimed that Yeli died at a young age. Even if Yelkosa died without giving birth, her name should have been included in the family tree of Adama Watara. Nana Ankobia division abafo Nana bafo Ankobia hene ene di animu. Ono so na sema oka yen se na di en asa na mo kan. Yelkosa mo kire se oye panyini, ona ye panyini. Panyini Adama Watara na sema oka ne se sorry. Panyini Abu Mahama na sema oka ne se Yelkosa na oye panyini. Ono na chiba ni nua no ntafo mienu atakuma atakakra ne atapanyini. Ni nuane wo mo na Adama Watara kan se Yelkosa no na wawu osua na owu ye na se osua na owu ye kura no a esese nka didin ba ono na busua bia no wamfa na didin amma busua bia no no na che se o suspect se ketasiche bi ewom enti no ono de we are of the view that Adama Watara and Abu Mahama are the custodians of the samples too. Enti ono de onim se na adwenem no Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama omne ya de hia omdi bene be ya de hia be di sample akunwa yenkoso na domi abrahene that is oman hene na so kan yi o say Abu Mahama was able to trace his genealogy from his ancestors Adam Awatara omitted the name of Yelokosa, who is the direct ancestors of Abu Mahama, and explained that she died at an early age. Yet Abu Mahama, who is said to be a stranger to the royal family, was able to mention the name of Yelokosa and her descendants. Abu Mahama mentioned Tiwa as the mother of Nana Kofi, and his witness corroborated his claim. His witness further explained how the ancestors of Mansa Rose came to Sampa. I expected Mansa Rose to challenge these claims, yet no challenge was made. I am of the view that Abu Mahama and Adam Awatara are maternal relations, but Mansa Rose has no relations. Nana Domi Abrahene so nasema okande onde ohwehwe mu ano otimi ehu se Abu Mahama ene Adam Awatara ene yemoja na wonomo Adam Awatara ene Mansa Rose ujina ho edema ya osamudua enye Adam Awatara ni moja efise asem no hyase no esesenka na asem se asem no hyase no amanso no hyase e omanhia no esesenka Mansa Rose obedwan ni seat no na ono so ebonkuro kwa ama na bebu asem no wie e na oba ye de a oka se ba yi na firi mo oba ye de a na chese eho no niti bonase kakra enti no ene santi ono na dwenim no Abu Mahama ene Adam Awatara ene yemoja na Adam Awatara ene Mansa Rose ene yemoja ono so nasema odibae no Manyure division led by Oheneba Asamponhene. Manyure fekuo no so ne abeka yini. We are of the view that Rose Mansa has no title to Sampas too. When the issue came up, it was between Abu Mahama and Adam Awatara. Rose Mansa did not involve herself. She engaged in consultation with Adam Awatara after his litigation with Abu Mahama and literally copied the family tree from Adam Awatara. Abu Mahama's witness, Comfort Yabua, traced the genealogy of Mansa Rose and narrated how they came to join them as Sampa. The attorney of Mansa was quite outspoken at the beginning of the hearing, and yet he found no defense against this claim. Abu Mahama and Adam Awatara are maternal relations and share no family ties with Mansa Rose. Near Nana Manwira Hene or Heneba Asamponhena Oda Manwira Feku no ano or Nini Dom Eka Yen say, Bedia Befe Yen Fimuno. Amanso no started yene ese Mansa Rose anasa sa modua fo no nka bebe joine ba me joine beja amanso no ekoto Abu Mahama one Adam Awatara abusua no eso na eduru ba bi no a won hu sa ade no ehhehye no na won beka ho de a ene ono na dwenim no na chese wonom no edi sample akunwa enye yie no manwere feku no so eka ye no now yenkwe Nkoso division, Nkoso fekuno so, basma opeka ini. We observe that the family tree of Rose Mansa and Adam Awatara were essentially the same. All three parties trade their ancestry from Yajo Kakala. In view of this, we wanted to find out the mother of the twins who have become a focal point of this dispute. Whilst Adam Awatara claimed Yatunga was the mother of the twins, Abu Mahama, on the other, claimed it was Yelisaka. Again, while Adam Awatara claimed Yinda gave birth to 6 children. Abu Mahama claimed her children were 4. Considering all the above, we are of the view that Mansa Rose and Adam Awatara are maternal relations, and but Abu Mahama is not. Nkosuo division also ebutia Abu Mahama say beye nhwehwemu no betumi ehun say Abu Mahama one Adam Awatara enye mmoja ena nana adubin so kase hene ono so otu na numtuo say all parties admitted that Adam Awatara is a royal to the stool. So if Adam Awatara, who is a descendant of Atapoini, indicates that Mansa Rose is also a descendant of Atakuma, There should be no doubt. Therefore, Adama Ouattara and Mansa Rose are maternal relations and custodians of the stool, but Abu Mahama was no title to save. Nia no so nana adubin so kase hene ono so nia oka ye ne se na Mansa Rose Adama Ouattara mu nyina afanu mienu nyina ho kire se hunu ya no Adama Ouattara yeso na oka se ono oye atapa nyina ase ni ena Mansa Rose ogina ho ma yawsa modua so ye atakuma na se saa ne dia ene akinye be ne wo ho enti ono de na dwen ye ne se Mansa Rose ene Adama Ouattara ena eye moja Adama Ouattara ene Abu Mahama enye moja yankoso Nana Diko Mahine nsuni ose Opani Abu Mahama and Adama Ouattara are maternal relations because people from the family of Abu Mahama are often appointed as customary successors of Adama Ouattara and vice versa. If they share no maternal linkage, there is no way such succession could have been encouraged. Abu Mahama witness explained how ancestors of Mansa Rose came to Sampa and traced their genealogy to Mansa Rose, who could not dispute her assertion. Mansa Rose is not part of the royal family of Sampa. Also, near Oka ne se Nana Diko Mahine near onoso Eka ne se Adama Ouattara near Oka ne se one Abu Mahama babu suano bedi wewu a wetim kodi ade na se bedi di be ho ade wo wuom sa ade a ene na ebe won se obeka se Adama Ouattara ebeka se Abu Mahama na sefo enye ni nua enti ono de onim se oye ne hwehwemu no wa hu se Abu Mahama ene Adama Ouattara ene ye moja na Adama Ouattara ene Mansa Rose enye moja ena achiami feku otumfo achiami feku no nso wonom so ewru se Abu Mahama ene Adama Ouattara ene ye moja. I read, they all admitted otumfo achiami feku, they all admitted that Yajo Kakala is their ancestress. When Mami Comfort Yeboah made claims against Mansa Rose concerning the ancestry, Mansa Rose could not challenge those claims. The true custodians of the Sampa stool, in my opinion, are Abu Mahama and Adama Ouattara. Abujafo. Debate ekoso eomanhia eno ho judgment ebaye otumfo gina so eto na nuntuo ede judgment edisue ebaye ena mebeken. Now judgment otumfo chiame bafo Kantankranti recited the customary incantations and pronounced judgment in favor of Abu Mahama as maternal relations of Adama Ouattara and thus custodians of Sampa too, whereas Adama Ouattara and Mansa Rose were found guilty of invoking reckless oath and fined a sheep each. Opani Abu Mahama was to present a seda of 5,000 cedis as award, transcribed by Augustine Ampa Atta, verified by Kwame Aduse Ajman, Registrar, Kumasi Traditional Council. Abusuafo judgment ni enti abusuafo kyerɛkyerɛ nananom ahemfo kyerɛkyerɛ Bible wie no ɛna judgment utumfo kyiame pass judgment sɛ Abu Mahama one Adama Ouattara ene yemuja one Abu Mahama Adama Ouattara ene Mansa Rose ugina ho ema Yawsa Modua group enye moja enti no ba kantem hunu se ba kan tam hunu dia be dwampa otua bia Oponebu Mahama ono so on present as that 5,000 cities, 5,000 Ghana cities. Na baba kanso babi di fonso SSA beso bedi piso 5,000 Ghana cities. Say ena judgment no ekoso na afei ena ye baba mu. Now ye debate na ekoso no Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama bijina brane sebe ye moja. Adama Watara ene Rusmansa ujina homa samu biasu jina brane sebe ye moja. Country division efase Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama ni ye moja. The same country division no efase Adama Watara ene Rusmansa ni ye moja. Nti hono eye 1-1 draw. Akwamu division enso kansa nti hoso eye 1-1 draw. Now ni 4th division ebuma Adama Watara ni Rusmansa se bene be ye moja. Adontin division ebuama Adama Watara ene Rusmansa se bene be ye moja. Benkum ebuama Adama Watara ene Rusmansa se bene be ye moja. Oyoko ebuama Adama ne Abu Mahama se bene be ye moja. Chidom division ebuama Adama ene Abu Mahama se bene be ye moja. Jasi division fa ebuama Adama ne Abu Mahama se bene be ye moja. The same Jasi division no fa ekuo no fanso se ebuama Adama Watara ene Rusmansa se bene be ye moja. Ankobia division ebuama Adama ene Abu Mahama se bene be ye moja. Manwere division ebuama Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama se bene be ye moja. Nkosuo division ebuama Adama Watara ene Rusmansa se bene be ye moja. Achiame hene division ebuama Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama se bene be ye moja. Enti se wokan baba no bomu a eye division fekuo no ba bebu ase Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama bene be ye moja be ye nwotwe. Ena Adama Watara ene Rusmansa ba bebu ase Adama Watara ene Rusmansa ye moja eye nson. Eye yenko ahene in council. Manwire asaman hene ebua ma Adama Watara ni Rusmansa se bene be ye moja. Biposo hene ebua ma Adama Watara ene Rusmansa se bene be ye moja. Adanse hene ebua ma Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama se bene be ye moja. Asumja hene ebua ma Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama se bene be ye moja. Bekwa hene ono su bua ma mienu no bekwa hene de ye kan se be miensa no nyina be ye moja. Enti na che se obua ma Adama Watara ne Abu Mahama ena osam su bua ema Adama Watara ene Rusmansa se be ye moja. Nana amanten hene ensu bua ma Adama Watara ene Rusmansa ese be ye moja. Dikoman hene ono so ebua ma Adama Watara ne Abu Mahama se bene be ye moja. Ena hwidie man hene ono so ebua ma Adama Watara ene Rusmansa se be ye moja. Enti ohwe ahene in council no so a ba bebua ma Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama se be ye moja be ye nan. Ena ba bebua ma Adama Watara ene Rusmansa se be ye moja no be ye num. Na che se 5 against 4. enti se oka bema no nyina bomu a Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama ba bebu ama bese beye moja fekuo fo no ene ahemfo no ba bebu ama bese beye moja no baba no eye 12 dumienu ena Adama Watara ene Rose Mansa ba bebu ama bese beye moja beso oka 7 + 5 no a eno eye 12 nti na chese abano apai o manhia minu awutie me sei ena manhia abano ekoyeye abano apai eye 12 enti 12 no otumfo na wu se wenom enka ho samoduafo enka ho na minu ya no momia hwe ni seye afi na analysis no eba Abu Mahama ordinary sem call House of Chiefs bono ahafo House of Chiefs no wanka se ne kwadum no wanka asem na bekoyi ko manhia no ne kwadum no wanka se Kofi your friend saying Sam moduafo nye adehye wanka ne dia ogetumu se Sam modua ya adehye ena Kofi so ya adehye ono ne ye dehye a oka ho a ba dia konwa na abemma ne bi ni enti na chese onu mom na nka afe na obewuram atwomote ase wone nkrobom no osan kan se onu na busua no na gina ho ma maamefo no panyin maame no a yelukosa your friend say yatumba no basefo no ne ba panyin no onu na busua na busuafo ena ntafo mienu basefo ne Adama Watara Kofi so no ene Samodua na ekosi sen ena Adama Watara ene Samodua according to Abu Mahama ndi nkurokura obo ne haya abatwere ewa atemmo wem no otrese yelukosa ne ye panyini yelukosa na chiba ne yanda ene yinda na ye panyini yinda ene ye kuma atakuma anata kakra na yelukosa na ye panyini dia na onu na chiba ne ntaa dia ekosi sen na atabako de nasefo enya adehye atabako asefo ne Kofi so no ma wo ye Adama Watara na ekosi sen na atabako no ne de nasefo ne hwan no anase nasehye minuano atifo moma yenye den moma yenjejes assembly yede tunsani ani na ye career nokre na ewum no ewo hefa asem no kopai committee level right committee level nipa 9 no na nanom 9 no mienu eka se Abu Mahama asefo eni akonwa no bi ena mienu so ka se Abu Mahama asefo be di akonwa no bi enti ho no ekopai ya banka se ya osa modu asefo eni akonwa no bi atakuma na asefo eni akonwa no bi na chese at that level no nipa 9 ahemfo nanu nyina at committee level no rule se Adama Watara ene Rose Mansa ono nasefo ne atakuma bedi akonwa ena abodwafo mienu esu rule se we ka ho bi Adama Abu Mahama enti at committee level no de bekura be kan se Abu Mahama o kan dehye no ho bi banyi ya so amodua amfrim atakuma na asefo banyi na amfrim na ebesi sen na ekoto ye wuro tumfo adimu a atakuma no be yi ni frim because ono na otumfo ne committee na otel a 4-member committee no se banyi ban hwehwemu no ankoyi atakuma nasefo amfrim atakuma asefo a eye ya osa modua asefo amfrim dia ekosi se na asem no ebeto nanim a ono de otim eyi befrim abusuafo mo man nye de mo me nwene ho enna ohwe debate ya ahemfu eye ya se na yam kire ono aba na omoto ya eye 12 what you say 12 of ahemfu no kire se Adama Watara ne Abu Mahama eye moja enna edumienu kro no ase Adama Watara ene Rosemansa eye moja eti se abana paidia nanka decision ne se decision me madrim dio me madrim decision ne se Adama Watara onani gina finfini mumienu bia de onuane Adama Watara sa netie dia na se momo bekonde ya munyina mumienu magya tum se Adama Watara ne ye dehye awudi akonwa Kofi Suno nasi ni no ye dehye ena mumienu ni mo twa bom ho eye afia tetwasefo a Abu Mahama na Abu Mahama edibanim etwa manso ene Mansa Rose a ono su di ya so amoduafo anim etwa manso enti se mumienu mu twitwa bom ho weesu wenka ho weesu wenka ho na mumienu no mo gitum se Adama Watara ogina ho emma Kofi Suno onde oka ho de a ede me kan kire mo se afanu mienu no obi ankotena ne baabi Adama Watara wo na oye adease ni ewo sampa enti ko na wabusua na eye Kofi Suno abusua no munko hidehye baako emfansi akonwa no so afanu mienu no obi ankotena ne baabi nanka ruling no aye perfect because bre nkokohwede bienu be nkoku bi nkwanse nkokohwede bienu be nkoku bi nkwanse nanka ho ruling no yahu se aye fair in any case se apai se dia nene nka ruling no besana akoso okay se committee level no committee members 2 e kan se Abu Mahama nasefo ya adehia betim disampo akonwa na nananom so behia aye no ade na kopai efa 12 dumienu se Abu Mahama nasefo etim disampo akonwa na dumienu so se Mansa Rose nasefo etim di sampo akonwa Adama Watara de nasefo afanu mienu no bia agibatum sa kopai sa ade a ene abusua miensa no nyina monye den moya adehie a mutim di sampo akonwa rulings no so nke betima akose ya ede asundwie beba na ekosi sen na ahemfo atrase na ba no asem abekan edumienu ekire se Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama eye moja ena Adama Watara ene Rosemansa so eye moja dumienu kansa na sa netre dia agina so ben ena ohene wa otimji Rosemansa a ogina ho ema ya osa modua abusua efrim abodwafo mediase mwe ebejam na me next episode a meba no mene abodwafo betrase nya me nkwa na betrase na ya baba isa asem we na ya baba mu a ye de odu obi a mensa kan a ya woso amame as a researcher me de beba abeto abonten enti me from there me historian Kodwachiman me from there ne ya mipim hu ne se atemuo no a ekoso ho no atemuo no atentenene ankoso because committee level ade no kopai ho yeba occupy committee level a committee no dey report ebra manhia committee of the whole house no ohene rule eyi your friend say samodua film samodua fo no kotwe protested dabi atemo na obu ye no ye ntiase a na abodwafo sa nkotena so a ade na pai na ade na pai dia on what basis so ultim yi samodua efrim on what basis? The only basis ne so obeka say menem ye na masante hene ne maka na maka. That is the only valid basis and also any democracy ebo abira abusuafo sei ena asem no etie mekenkan ye mo amote ahemfu bi debate ne say na ebeye den na wo Abu Mahama waji atum se yelekosa na ye panyini na onu so ni nua na ntafo mienu no na ni nua ne Adama ota se Adama Kofi no asefo yanda a oye atapanyini yes atapanyini ena yinda no a ono ye atakuma no ono Abu Mahama no a ogina homa atapanyini no sorry ono Adama Watara ogina homa atapanyini no nene okana semse ono na takuma ene samoduafo beso badi dia konwa no bipen na obi ono ogina homa atapanyini ono koka se matakuma dia a woso owura Abu Mahama ogitum se yelokosa ati no o kire se wo wasefo yelokosa asefo no yelokosa ati no ye wontafo mielu wo ho na ekosise no wo yelokosa on a ogina homa Abu Mahama nasefo momo ne Adama atabako asefo muye moja atapanyini na asefo muye moja na atakuma asefo no de munye moja abusunafo omuyenjeje sampa asem no nia edi pinchen mentime ho ase aba sampa ene no judgment no ene da ho se ubua asem se ya uma chance uma kwai manipa bia tim kana na dwene otim kasem bia ope efa watimu no ho fi se atimu no ankoyi me madwenim no me madwenim we dey ya me personal opinion ebetuma aye na kura ebetum so aye tro ubetuma jedi opeso a nyini me madwenim no ne amehwe hu ne se ne atemmuo no course from committee level a ekopaye na at this level so esanko paye no a be yi ba ko afrim ba ko a oya atakuma be yi na frim na Abu Mahama ono so jetum se atakuma atapanyini no ono ne Adama Watara na nikuma no de owo hen owu ya na anase wanwo obi aso antiman kire ewo report enti nieme madwende mam ne se ade na ye dandel eye dandel me madwene ni madwene na me kire oso tim kire wadwene eye dandel Justice Sankama ohwani mueduru oye appeal court judge enti na ya kansie oye appeal court judge ani muoduru odumfo hia no me madwene no ewo ne council ya osa omodua na ya osa omodua the second year ye di wasi akunwa esu onim so oye osukonoma onisika afi na ho law school ene ne kro ba ne so pe ogolofo de be afom na santeman usini wasie akuya ama me ko ho no jase hene ka kire mse o ka kire ye na sante hene se ande akuya no wasie awie nanum tom o ka kire so enti yana na sante he na ni Justice Ankama ono eye Abu Mahama ne dehye na ni je ne hode a na se okohuru se adehye miensa no bia di akonwa no bi enye yi a eye ya enti benko for him la already no ye de yawsa amodua yakosi akonwie so dada enti ebede ne yakocheji no e wo sampa ho enye yi efise ye Nana Kofi so no ayi no wie ya pe ena yesinsan krata edi Mr. Sie Mr. Sie ena ye regent Mr. Sie a ogina ho ema yawsa amodua abusua eye regent se ono ne entra ayipatam na ompe de sie mfiri na abusua num efise no fa media kunwa efise kunwa no akwa apro abeto yawsa amodua na abusua eno the acting president oye kokwa hene ono ni sign sa krata no enti ye de akodwa na masa amodua de a ene ese oka se adehye miensa no nyina mu ya adehye a enti mu ko yi candidate mra yawsa amodua ya yi ne dada enti ye beden na yakase onsi form na mbom no okohuru se amodua asefo no benka bendi akodwa no bi benya adehye de a na chesa adehye na akoka mienu Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama nasefo already so no Adama Watara ogina homa Kofi so no asefo Kofi so no na ewu ya Kofi so no na etoso mienu ni wu ya amanso abai ote ase enti enya de akonwa no besa Kofi so no ho bio enti se Adama Watara ene Abu Mahama afiatetwa family ena omo ya adehye de a na chese besan kosampa automatic se esa kunwa no eko Abu Mahama afiatetwa family Abu Mahama afiatetwa family so be candidate ene Justice Ankama oye apiko jeja ni moduru enti mema dwen no ohene hwe eba ni mu ano ohun se Adama one kapre samodua fo mo ne kapre Justice Ankama oyogolo nipa nim no apiko jeje owo connections nipa nim no owo sika nti papa we minyano me council mu a ebebo ame nti kwa mefa so a mebubuga bi ama manya saa nipa no ewo mema Santimai council mu no metusa na mon. This is my opinion per readings amaye ne analysis a mema ye ene ama me draw this conclusion enti anuanom abadwafo yesi agro eye de no na ade esa akwantufo mede nkomobo no ebesi a bomode ase kasi ya wati wo be subscribe na wa share ama afoforo nso anya bi ate na me next episode no am de ba no voice bia edi adanse trodo se atemu we ya ekoso no enye atemu krojen enye atemu a eto asomu enye atentenene no me de beba be tudwa in my next episode inti medamase me mamu monitie adehye